transition and prep. You can't just snap your fingers and say you want paid creative in-house. That would be cool. Magical powers sound fun. But in reality, you have to set your future creative team up for success. The first thing you're gonna do is hire a director of paid media creative. But how fast the director can make an impact depends entirely on how much you've prepared. And that preparation starts with who they can partner with. You need a head of growth, or at least a very seasoned, deeply embedded media buyer. Someone who understands the brand, the platforms, the numbers, the nuances, and can really be a counterpart to your creative team. Great paid creative will fail with bad media buying, and great media buying will fail with bad paid creative. The other thing you need is a baseline level of organization. Just a nugget of organization. This director needs to become a brand expert fast and start producing ads quickly. The growing pains should be learning the brand, not excavating the resources. If there's no internally shot footage or record of what's worked and what hasn't, it's doable, but it's gonna be slow. They'll spend their first few months sifting before they can actually start to build. Founder videos, employees shooting UGC, elevated footage from the product or website team, whatever it is, you need it. Not buried on random hard drives, not scattered across Slack threads. It needs to live in a shared drive that is organized, accessible, and downloadable. And yes, when your director starts, they're gonna tell you to put it all on Recharm. Because the faster they can understand the brand and start making things, the faster your in-house creative team will start to perform.